requirement again. So very simple. So let's try another thing. Let's say I'll be using this mix station for, let's say, paving machine. So now the criteria is different, and I will be using the coarseness and workability factor. The idea is to put this red dot within this or inside the box, and most likely in the middle of this box. So let me try to do that by increasing the volume of coarse aggregate as referred to the ACI recommendation, which I really appreciate also. 0.79, and let's review again. So sure enough, we are in the box. We are inside this box. So the mortar volume is within the limit, minimum 48%. The coarseness factor is 55%, so within the limit.